vast ocean, where the sun kissed the waves goodnight, lived a friendly dolphin named Daisy. Daisy was known for her playful tricks and her beautiful, sparkling fins. One day, as Daisy was swimming and playing, she noticed something unusual in the distance. It was a lion named Leo, wandering near the shore. Leo was lost and scared, having strayed far from his pride. Daisy swam quickly towards Leo, and with a splash, she greeted him. Leo was surprised but felt a strange sense of comfort when he saw the friendly dolphin. "Hi there, I'm Daisy," she said with a friendly smile. "I see you're a long way from home. May I help you, lion?" Leo was hesitant at first, but Daisy's friendly demeanor put him at ease. He explained his situation, and Daisy promised to help him find his way back. Together, they set off on a grand adventure. Daisy used her incredible speed to guide Leo through the vast ocean, while Leo used his strength to help Daisy navigate the rough waters. As they journeyed, they encountered many other sea creatures, each with their own stories to tell. They learned about the importance of friendship, teamwork, and kindness. One particularly memorable encounter was with a wise old turtle who taught them a special song, a song that could summon help when they needed it. With this newfound power, they continued their journey with even more determination. After many days and nights, they finally reached the shore where Leo belonged. His pride was overjoyed to see him, but Leo's heart was filled with gratitude for his new friend, Daisy the dolphin. From that day on, Leo and Daisy remained the best of friends. They would often swim together, sharing stories and laughter, and reminiscing about their grand adventure. And whenever Leo felt lost or scared, he would remember the kindness of Daisy and the lessons he learned. He would remember the importance of friendship and the magic of helping others, lessons that would stay with him for the rest of his life. So, Let this tale serve as a reminder to be kind, to help others, and to cherish the friendships we make along the way. For in this world, and in the vast ocean, there is always room for a new friendship to bloom. The end.